How to add WhatsApp to lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. Now from the home screen, touch and hold. Then we go down and tap on Wallpaper and Style. From here, tap on the left panel, the lock screen panel. Then we go down, you can choose to place WhatsApp on the left hand side or the right hand side of the screen. Here I will choose the left corner, and then we scroll down, and by default it is set to the phone application, so you want to go in the list here and scroll down and select WhatsApp, so that will be replaced with WhatsApp. Now we go to the top and tap on done, then tap on the home button. If you go to your lock screen, when you want to quickly launch WhatsApp, just swipe on it and then verify with your fingerprint, and that will be launched. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.